Current wear monitoring isn't built for the front line. It's complex, slow, and requires expert knowledge, leaving workers guessing. The result? More human error, more downtime, and more preventable accidents. According to the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, 48% of mining maintenance fatalities happen during inspections. Workers crushed, caught in machinery, or falling. Worse, a report called Human Error in Mining, written by Jay Patterson, noted that over 80% of fatal mining accidents involve operator errors, with decision and skill-based mistakes as the leading causes. It's time for a better way. Industry needs a solution that eliminates the need for hazardous manual inspections, reducing the likelihood of human error and keeping workers out of the line of fire. Meet WearVue, patent-pending tech from Perth, Western Australia. It's a simple, visual, real-time wear monitoring system that works like a traffic light for equipment health. Green, good to go. Yellow, plan maintenance. Red, act now. No fancy tech training, no second guessing. Instant insights right there and accessible again and again. No need to go in shoots. Just one look and all can see. Over and over. Make the invisible visible. See where in real time and empower your workers to make informed decisions. WearVue, where monitoring made visual.